Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and we shall take a first look at a new wireless Bluetooth earphones that I have purchased, and this is the Boat ROCKERZ 255 wireless Bluetooth earphones guys that I have purchased from Amazon. I'll be leaving the direct links in the description to buy this product. If you guys are interested in buying this product, please buy from the link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get rid of this box packaging and everything else and straight away dive into the product itself. So guys, as you can see, this is the box package of the Boat ROCKERZ 255 wireless Bluetooth earphones, and on this surface of the box it says fueled by passion, and here it mentions wireless Bluetooth headsets, and it has been manufactured by Boat, as you can see, and the model number is ROCKERZ 255 guys, and the price of this product is around 1700 rupees, and on sale days you can get this product as low as 1000 rupees as well. As you can see on this surface of the box, it mentions some of the important features of this product. So let me break out the seal guys and take a look at the product itself. Inside the box we get this wireless Bluetooth headphones guys. As you can see, this is the wireless Bluetooth headphones, and the color of this product is neon guys, and I have purchased this in neon light color. This is another pouch that I got inside the box which contains the user manual, and also we have some ear tips, which is actually the small, medium and large size ear tips. One size ear tips will be already applied on the earphones. If it does not fit properly to your ears, you can easily use some other different size of ear tips that will be provided inside the pouch. And also we have this micro USB cable for charging this wireless Bluetooth earphones guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the Boat ROCKERZ 255 wireless Bluetooth earphones guys, and it is having this neon color. As you can see, this is the neon color earphones, and these are the two ear tips which can be connected via this magnet. It has a magnet over it. You can easily connect both the ear tips left and right like this. As you can see, it has this tapered wire throughout the length of the cable guys. This is the place where you can actually control the music and increase the volume, decrease the volume, and turn on the earphones and other things as such. And on this surface we have this Boat branding guys, and here we have a small opening which is protected by this very delicate rubber material, and here is the place where you can actually charge your wireless Bluetooth earphones guys. So throughout the length of the earphones we have this tapered cable. Now what we'll do is we'll actually turn on these earphones and also connect it with our smartphone and see how the exact sound quality of this earphone is. First we'll go to the Bluetooth settings on our smartphone guys. So I'll go to Bluetooth and I'll turn it on and keep it ready for pairing, and this is the center button that we have to press and hold for 3 seconds and until the blue light starts flashing. So yeah, the blue light has been flashed over here guys, so that means we have entered the pairing mode on our Bluetooth headphones. The Boat ROCKERZ has been found on my Bluetooth settings. So let's click on this and pair the Bluetooth headphones with my smartphone guys. There is a prompt which says pair with Boat ROCKERZ. Yes, pair. As you can see, it says the Boat ROCKERZ has been connected successfully and the battery percentage is 100%, and it says it is active. And now I'll be testing out the sound quality of these earphones rigorously, and I'll be letting you know my initial impressions and my opinions about this device. So guys, I've been using these earphones Boat ROCKERZ 255 for a couple of days now, and I have my fair share of both pros and cons which I have written in this sheet of paper. And in this video I'll be sharing with you guys about what are the pros of these earphones and what are the cons of these earphones in detail. So guys, let's start with the pros of these earphones. The first important pro or the first important advantage of these earphones are it is one of the best earphones in terms of fit and ease of usage guys. Just for an example, this is how it looks in terms of the neckband and also in terms of the ear tips. I used to wear these earphones around 4 to 5 hours a day for around 3 days for the review, and I did not feel any pain. The fitting of the ear tips inside the ears were also perfect. So in terms of fit and also ease of usage, this is never a hassle. Just put it over your neckband and start using by connecting the Bluetooth of these earphones with your smartphone. So guys, the second important advantage or the second important pros of this device is the connectivity. The range of these earphones as written on the box is around 10 meter, which is around 32 or 33 feet. So the connectivity range is not at all a problem. If you keep your smartphone in one room and if you're sitting in some other room and you're listening to music, the connectivity will not be a problem. If you have noticed, apartment these days do not come with those red color brick walls. Instead, they'll be constructed with cement walls. So if you have a strong cement wall or a large cement wall in your homes, The connectivity can be a problem if you are keeping smartphone in one room and you are sitting with these Bluetooth earphones in another room. So if you are having cement walls, then connectivity can be a problem. Otherwise, you can easily get connectivity for a range of around 25 to 30 feet. So Boat is a company which always emphasizes on the bass of the earphones, and this is not at all an exception again. So the bass on these earphones are really good. I can rate it over 8 or 8.5 out of 10 for bass. And once I keep the volumes at the highest levels on my smartphone or whichever devices I have connected to, there is not much of disturbance or not much of distortion that you can hear. So I've tested these earphones on Netflix, on the Netflix application, YouTube application, and also other different applications for listening to music and listening to other sort of movie and content. I have not seen any sort of problems in terms of sound quality on these earphones. While taking calls on these Bluetooth earphones, the call quality is brilliant, guys. The internal microphone is also fantastic on these earphones, and the receiver did not feel any sort of distortion even when I'm speaking in public places. So guys, the next important advantage or the next important pros I have to talk about these earphones is the pairing. So this device can be simultaneously paired with two different devices, so two different gadgets, that is one smartphone or a tablet or two different smartphones. I had connected these earphones with my smartphone and also with my iPad so that I can check the experience both on Android devices and iOS devices. You can easily connect it to both of the Bluetooth devices simultaneously, and whenever you switch over the Bluetooth from one device to another device, there will be seamless pairing of the headphones, and easily you can start listening to the sound from the other device. So there will be no problem in terms of pairing. And the first time pairing, it took less than 10 seconds, guys. So guys, the final pro or the final advantage of these earphones, which is the biggest advantage or the biggest pro of these earphones, is the battery life. It took around 1.5 hours to charge from complete dead state to 100% state, guys. Less than 1.5 hours it was completely charged, and I got a battery life of over 9 hours easily, guys. I wore it for around 4.5 hours straight, and battery life fell from around 100% to just 75 or 74% or something. So battery life on these earphones are exceptional, guys. You can easily get around 8 to 9 hours of usage on these earphones, so you don't have to worry about the charging on these earphones and battery life. So now let's come to the cons, or what is not good. So what were my opinions about what's not good about these earphones? So the first important cons of these earphones that I felt is, as you can see, this is the controllers and this is the ear tips, right? And this is the neckband of these earphones. The wire that drives from these controller section to the ear tip section is very thin and very delicate. As you can see, this is a thick tapered cable that they have used, and the quality is also really good. From the day I'm using these earphones, I feel that I can't use these earphones in a very harsh state or in a very rough manner. If you can see, I have another Boat earphones, guys. These are the normal Boat 3.5mm headphone jack driven wired earphones, and these are the Bluetooth earphones. As you can see, the thickness is not same. I think they could have gone with this amount of thickness to get that experience. I don't know why they have not used that amount of thickness on this tapered cable. So that is one of the important things. The second important con about these earphones, what I felt, is about the charging port, guys. As you can see, there is this small opening, very minute opening for charging port, which has been covered by this delicate rubber strap or something, and I'm damn sure these delicate rubber lid will come off in around 15 to 20 days, because as you can see, this has been covered by a very delicate lid. Even slightly, if I use it in a harsh way, it has chances of coming out. So I think this might be a very minor thing for many of you guys, but this was my experience and I had to share it honestly via this medium, so that I am mentioning it. So guys, these were the important pros and cons about this Boat ROCKERZ 255 earphones. So guys, that was it for the full in-depth review as well as the unboxing in this lengthy video about the Boat ROCKERZ 255. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we are your source for all the latest updates, tips, tricks, softwares, applications, and a lot of things in diverse and in detail related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.